wonderforest.com.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sunny Plays, and welcome to episode 2 of our How to Play Minecraft series. In the last video, we learned how to survive the first night, which was extremely important. At this time, we are going to learn about farming. The types of tools you'll need, how exactly you can do it, and exactly how to keep your crops growing quickly. So right now I'm just getting wood for my new base. Okay then, so the first thing you need is a tool, which I'm going to tell you later. Then we're going to plant like wheat. Just another piece. Okay then. So now we can go find some stone. Let's go dig down. It's like stone is sometimes so deep underground. Especially when it comes to mining iron. I just need like... Oh, I got more than extra. So now we're going to craft a tool. So for this tool, we are going to put a stick in the middle, a stick on the bottom, one on the bottom of that, and one on top, and then one to the left or right of it. I'm just going to do that. And then here we have a stone hoe. Now, stone hoes can be used to plant crops. Now I'm going to show you how exactly do you plant crops. So, where do you plant crops? Maybe next to water. You're supposed to plant it near water. And since there is no nearby source of water, we could dump water there, but that requires a bucket, which is made up of iron, and you probably won't find iron. So you probably need to like find somewhere close to water. I'm just going to dig the space. Dig this whole thing. Gotta get the sand away. So there I have dug somewhere. I'm just gonna dig some more. And then I'm going to create a farm somewhere. Probably I need at least a 2-space gap. So I'm going to do that. Because later on I need fences. I'll put all this here. Okay. So now if you want to plant like hoes, we basically plant crops. You basically need to till the ground. And how to till the ground is you right click with the hoe. And then you see like some tilled land. And the thing is, you have to make sure that it's hydrated, especially near water. And what would happen if you did it when it's not in water? Okay. If you did it right now, it's not near a water source, so probably it will go back to its normal shape. It'll go back to its normal shape. Sometimes it gets a bit weird, but most of the time it returns to its normal shape. And then we need something to hydrate your crops in the night. Probably some torches. I haven't planted some. Probably we can do this. Probably we can till this. This may seem a lot, but it's probably good to start off. That's not supposed to be here. Maybe I can put the lilac back later. Okay, so why did I even need that? My bad. I even got some carrots and potatoes, so that would be good. You just don't need wheat. It's just good that I have a few wheat, so probably I can fill this whole thing with carrots. Probably this with wheat seeds. I meant I can fill this with potatoes. Even this with potatoes, and then the middle is going to be with carrots. Yep. Okay then, so once a plant is all done, you can harvest them and you will get like one more, and if you keep doing that, then you will get an overload of crops. I'm just keeping my chests here. So then we plant some crops, and then the first thing you want to make sure is that whenever you till the ground, it's always near water. And in order for your crops to grow during the nighttime, let me put the torches over here. You need to hydrate the crops with either torches or glowstone or anything like that. But glowstone might be complicated because glowstone is usually found in the nether. And you need glowstone dust to craft it. So probably torches is the simplest light you can find. It will take patience, just like do something else. Do this. Well, this is kind of weird, a mushroom on the tree. And you know, one cool fact, it's like, once you harvest wheat, it's like you can craft basic food using it. You can craft bread. So let me just eat this apple. Let me just close this very quickly. Okay, so now I'm just going to mine some wood for the fences. Since we put torches there, I think we probably need a full stack of wooden planks. And I am going to teach you how to craft fences. And also a fence gate. Fence gates are also very important. It's like a door, but it won't look good if you place a door in a fence-like area. It won't look good. Something like this, a door is a good thing. Fence gates would kind of look weird. Yeah, it would look weird. Okay, so we're close to having a full stack of wood. That's 63, but 63 is fine. And now we can craft fences and fence gates. We probably need some sticks. Probably 16. We don't need this. We'll take that out. Okay, and now I'm going to put the sticks here. This is not how you do it. You need to put the wooden planks here. And as you see, we receive a total of 24 fences. And I will also teach you how to craft the fence gate. And as you see, we want to make sure we mine all this thing. We need an extra layer for our crops to grow on probably. But luckily we have some dirt, but however, it's nighttime. I kind of forgot to close the door, but it's urgent. I have to sleep urgently because monsters would spawn all over us in our crops, and anything that tramples over can cause the crop to go away, and you have to do the whole process all over again. which is kind of sad. I just need to dig all this. Okay then, so this is probably going to be 5, 4 there is the first one. 2, 9, 8, 7, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 probably. This is kind of good. No one can go over there. This is good for the fencing probably. And there should probably be a way to get out. I'll teach you how to craft the fence gate. And we want to make sure everything is like this. You can't jump over fences, which is the best thing. The best thing that you can't jump over fences. Good. Unless you place like a carpet or something, monsters would get over that easily. So that's why I'm going to craft like a fence gate instead. So now just need 4 sticks. You're going to craft the fence gate. We need like 4 sticks. At the side, basically the fence and sticks, except it's reversed. 4 sticks and 2 wooden planks. And then we should probably put it somewhere. Fences and fence gates can be broken down with an axe, which is good. And we want to make sure it's covered on all sides. As you see, it's not, which isn't good. You can jump over dirt, but you can't jump over fences. Okay, and so we learned how to plant crops and create a good decoration for them. That would be good. So now you should probably know everything. I just need to claim all the saplings. So we learned how to like protect our crops. We learned how to plant crops. We need something to hydrate them during the night. And I see plants need like sunlight, lights to grow as well. Water and light, just like real life. Except the torches. I exactly don't know. Okay then, so what you should know how to like plant crops now after watching my tutorial. So thank you for watching me today. So if you haven't watched my first tutorial, you should go and watch it. You should go and watch it. If you don't know how to do it, or if you like learned it and if you forgot it, then you should probably go for the first tutorial. And I see this series is for Minecraft beginners and or people that cannot do much in Minecraft survival mode. I feel like how to Minecraft in creative mode, I feel like they're not good for me. How to's in survival mode is like much better because it's like harder than creative mode. Well, probably I'm just playing like a player. I'm just not getting a skin or anything like that right now. After 1 year or so, I might get a skin, but yeah. But the first year, I'm not going to get like any full version or anything like that. I'm just staying like normal. my gaming players. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like down below. Comment down below if you want to see, like, if you want to feature me in any exploding TNT videos. If you want me to be featured in there, we need 10 requests for that. I exactly asked Exploding TNT to subscribe, and actually I asked Orboros to subscribe to my channel as well. So guys, thank you for all that. So the only way I know you like it is, so if you like it, then please subscribe. I'm doing this for you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in tutorial 3. In the next tutorial, we're going to talk about mining. So stay tuned for mining, and of course, we will see you next time.